In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page on Squarespace. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you can easily replicate a page on your Squarespace website in no time. Whether you're looking to duplicate a page for testing or simply want to use it as a template for another part of your site, this guide will have you covered. First, let's start with the basics, navigating to the Squarespace website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL, or search for Squarespace in your search engine. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. After clicking login, Squarespace offers several sign-in options. For a quick and seamless login process, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, making it faster to access your Squarespace account if your Google account is already signed in on your device. Once you've selected Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Click on the account associated with your Squarespace site to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your Squarespace account. Now it's time to navigate to your specific website within Squarespace. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. You can access your site by clicking on its name or by selecting the Go to your website link if available. Once you're on your site's dashboard, look for the Pages option. This can usually be found on the left-hand side menu or by navigating through your site's settings. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your site. Now here's where the magic happens. Find the page you wish to duplicate and click on the gear icon next to it. This icon represents the page's settings. A menu with various options will appear, but for today's purpose we're interested in the duplicate page option. Click on Duplicate Page. Squarespace will then create an exact copy of the selected page, including all content and settings. This process might take a few moments, but once it's done, you'll see the new duplicated page listed alongside your original page. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a page on your Squarespace site. Feel free to rename the new page and customize it as needed. Duplicating pages can save you a lot of time, especially if you're looking to maintain a consistent layout or design across multiple sections of your site. Remember, you can duplicate any page whenever you need to, whether it's for testing new designs or creating content-rich pages without starting from scratch. Experiment with this feature to streamline your website building process and enhance your site's functionality. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy designing.